Hello everyone, my name is Ghortade Ashwini, lecturer from Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shevgaon. My subject is pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmaceutical chemistry मध्ये सेकंड चॅप्टर अँटीऑक्सिडंट्स. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर कोणता आहे? अँटीऑक्सिडंट्स. मग काय आहे अँटीऑक्सिडंट? अँटीऑक्सिडंटची डेफिनेशन, त्याचे मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ॲक्शन. द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ अँटीऑक्सिडंट. Antioxidants are the agent which inhibit oxidation and are commonly used to prevent rancidity of oils and fats, deterioration of other materials through oxidative process. Antioxidants are also described as compounds which can act and function chemically as reducing agent. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action of inorganic type of antioxidants is the same as it is involved in redox chemical reaction. In redox reaction, there is transfer of electrons from one compound to the other. Oxidation is the loss of electrons from chemical species and reduction is the gain of electrons. The overall reaction can be shown as oxidation plus electrons. त्याची रिव्हर्सिबल रिॲक्शन झालं, त्याचं काय होतं? रिडक्शन. The efficacy of chemical substance to undergo oxidation and reduction can be determined by electrode system. The electrical potential developed in cell can be measured by voltmeter and the measurement of electrode potential is made by the Nernst equation. काय आहे मग Nernst equation? E rad is equal to E rad equal to minus 0.0591 log oxidation divided by reduction. E rad फॉर्म्युला, E rad म्हणजे काय? फॉर्मल रिडक्शन आणि E0 rad म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड reduction electrode potential. Other antioxidants beside the inorganic substance, a variety of organic compounds selectively act as antioxidant preservatives. The essential criteria of such compound is that it should be non-toxic, palatable, compatible, neutral in nature, soluble in normal aqueous solvent and should give no color or odor to the product. Accordingly, organic type of oxidants are classified into फर्स्ट क्लास आहे अँटीऑक्सिडंटचा क्युनोल ग्रुप. त्याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल टोकोफेरॉल्स, हायड्रोक्रोमॉन्स. सेकंड टाईप आहे पायरोगॅलॉल ग्रुप. त्याचे एक्झाम्पल अमाइल गॅलेट, एन प्रोफिल गॅलेट. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल आहे अमाइन्स. अमाइन्समध्ये एक्झाम्पल आहे सिफॅलिन्स आणि लेसिथिन. नेक्स्ट टाईप आहे बेन्झोइक ॲसिड डेरिव्हेटिव्ज. एक्झाम्पल बेन्झोइक ॲसिड, इस्टर्स ऑफ पी अमायनो बेन्झोइक ॲसिड. याच्यामध्ये काय होतं? ऑर्गॅनिक टाईप कंपाऊंड्स मेनली ॲक्ट ॲज प्रिझर्वेटिव्ज अँड आर कॉमनली यूज इन फूड्स अँड फार्मास्युटिकल फॉर्म्युलेशन. दिस ॲक्ट ॲज अँटीबॅक्टेरियल, अँटीसेप्टिक, अँटीफंगल, bacteriostatic and by different mechanisms. The discuss of this organic class is the scope of this book. Next point आहे the selection of inorganic antioxidants. The selection of inorganic antioxidants आहे the most important criteria for selection is the activity. It should have the desired redox reaction which can be measured from standard electrode potential and by the Nernst equation. The other consideration are that it should be first non-toxic, should be physiological and chemically compatible, should be chemically inert, it should not pose any solubility problem in either its reduced or oxidized form. Some important antioxidants used in pharmaceutical formulation are discussed. First हायपोफॉस्फरस ॲसिड, याचा मोनोग्राफ पाहायचा आहे आपल्याला. हायपोफॉस्फरस ॲसिडचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, मॉलिक्युलर वेट, त्याचे प्रिपरेशन, इनकम्पॅटिबिलिटी, ॲक्शन अँड यूज. मोनोग्राफमध्ये काय काय येतं? मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, मॉलिक्युलर वेट, प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज, इनकम्पॅटिबिलिटी, ॲक्शन अँड यूज. तर फर्स्ट मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काय आहे हायपोफॉस्फरस ॲसिडचा? HPH2O2 H3PO2. मॉलिक्युलर वेट किती आहे? मॉलिक्युलर वेट 132. नेक्स्ट प्रिपरेशन. Hypophosphorus acid does not occur in nature. It is obtained commercially by decomposing boiling aqueous solution of calcium hypophosphate with oxalic. मग त्याची रिॲक्शन CaPH2O2 plus H2C2O4 2HO. It gives CaC2H2 plus 2HPH2O2 plus H2. The insoluble precipitate of calcium oxalate is filtered and the filtrate concentrated in vacuum. Alternatively, it is prepared by reacting calcium hypophosphate with slight excess of sulfuric acid. The precipitate of calcium sulfate is filtrated and filtrate concentrated. Next point आहे त्याच्या properties. Hypophosphorus acid is a colorless to slightly yellow odorless. It is syrupy in nature but from crystalline solid at 17.4 degrees Celsius. Next property, hypophosphorus acid has two important chemical properties. First, acidic property and second, reducing properties. It acts as monobasic acid as only one hydrogen is ionizable. Reaction HPH2O2 plus H2O रिव्हर्सिबल रिॲक्शन झाल्यावर काय तयार होतं? H3O plus plus PH2O2. The acid can be neutralized with alkali hydroxide or carbonates. For example, 2HPH2O2 plus Na2CO3. It gives 2NaPH2O2 plus H2O plus CO2 gas. More importantly, it acts as a powerful reducing agent. It reduces many compounds to form phosphorus acid H2PHO3 and finally to phosphoric acid H3PO4. The iodine it forms iodide. The iodine it forms iodide ion and it decolorized acidic solution of potassium permanganate. मग काय होईल, HpH2O2 plus 2 iodine 2 plus 2H2O, it gives 4Hi plus H3PO4. Incompatibility: hypophosphorus acid is a reducing agent. It gets readily oxidized by usual oxidizing agent. Next आहे त्याचे ॲक्शन अँड यूज. It is mainly used as a reducing agent in syrup of ferrous iodide, wherein it prevents formation of ferric ions and coloration, and in diluted hydrochloric acid to form free iodine. नेक्स्ट सल्फर डायऑक्साईडचा आपल्याला मोनोग्राफ पाहायचा आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पण सल्फर डायऑक्साईडचं मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, मॉलिक्युलर वेट, त्याचे प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज आणि इनकम्पॅटिबिलिटी अँड यूज. तर त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काय, SO2 आणि मॉलिक्युलर वेट किती आहे 64. नेक्स्ट प्रिपरेशनमध्ये sulfur dioxide is a gas and it is obtained on small and large scale by several methods. On a laboratory scale, it can be prepared by burning sulfur in presence of air or oxygen. 2S plus 2O2, it gives 2SO2. Alternatively, it is in form Fen sulfide. Property: sulfur dioxide is a colorless, non-inflammable gas with characteristic pungent odor. Next property: the gas is soluble in water and in alcohol. Next, sulfur dioxide is a very good reducing agent and this acts as an antioxidant. Next, when a SO2 gas is passed through iodine solution, sulfuric acid and hydroiodic acid are formed. SO2 plus I2 plus 2H2O, it gives 2Hi plus H2SO4. नेक्स्ट इनकम्पॅटॅबिलिटी, त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट सल्फर डायऑक्साईड बीन अ रेड्युसिंग एजंट. इट इज इन जनरल इनकम्पॅटिबल with oxidizing agent. Its bleaching action remove color from the preparation. Next, use. It is extensively used in industries for manufacture of sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide is used for wool, wood, pulp and in sugar industry for arresting fermentation and removing color. नेक्स्ट सोडियम मेटाबायसल्फाइड, त्याचा आपल्याला मोनोग्राफ पाहायचा आहे. नेक्स्ट त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला Na2S2O5, मॉलिक्युलर वेट 190. प्रिपरेशन: sodium metabisulfate is obtained by passing sulfur dioxide gas through a hot solution of sodium hydroxide. In the process, sodium bisulfate is from which decomposed to give Na2S2O5 from cold solution. Sodium metabisulfate crystallize out. त्याच्यामध्ये कसं होतं मग NaOH plus SO2, it gives NaHSO3. 2 NaHSO3, it gives NaS2O5 plus H2O. Most commercially, sodium bisulfate is Actually, sodium metabisulfite, which when dissolved in water gets converted to bisulfite. The physical and most chemical properties of bisulfite are similar to sodium metabisulfite. त्याच्या properties, it occur as a whitish yellow deliquescent powder having an odor of sulfur dioxide. It is soluble in water and from NaHSO3. The sodium of the solution of sodium metabisulfite is acidic in neutralized bases like sodium carbonate. 2NaHSO3 plus Na2CO3, it gives 2Na2SO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Sodium metabisulfite and bisulfite are strong reducing agent. Solution of permanganate iodine are decolorized by sodium bisulfite and by metabisulfite. Next, action and use. Sodium metabisulfite and bisulfite act as antioxidant. They are used in pharmaceutical preparations like injection to prevent oxidation of phenol catechols and related compound. Sodium bisulfite is used as preservative in ascorbic acid injection. नेक्स्ट सोडियम नायट्रेट. सोडियम नायट्रेटचा मोनोग्राफ, त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, मॉलिक्युलर वेट, त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला NaNO2, मॉलिक्युलर वेट 69. It contain not less than 97% and not more than 101% NaNO2 with reference to the substance dried silica gel. Next, preparation. The commercially method of manufacture consists of observing nitrogen oxide gas obtained during the catalytic oxidation of ammonia and oxygen into sodium carbonate solution. The solution is concentrated to crystallize out the product. त्याची रिॲक्शन मग 2NaCO2 plus 4NO plus O2, it gives 4NaNO2 plus 2CO2 gas. The other methods include the reduction of sodium nitrate by lead in iron pans at around 45 degrees Celsius or by the reaction of quicklime followed by sulfur dioxide wherein calcium sulfate precipitate from is filtrated off and filtrated allowed to crystallize out sodium nitrate. The recrystallization is done from not water. Properties. Sodium nitrate occur in the form of white granular powder or white crystalline with a saline in taste. Next, when it is exposed to the atmosphere, it deliquescent and gets oxidized to sodium nitrate. Next, it is very soluble in water and sparingly soluble in alcohol. Next property, the aqueous solution is alkaline because nitrous acid is a weak acid and its salts are readily hydrolyzed in solution. Next, sodium nitrate is easily decomposed by acidification with sulfuric acid through nitric oxide to NO2. Reaction to NaNO2 plus H2SO4 reversible Na2SO4 plus 2HNO2. Next, 2HNO2 reversible reaction H2O plus 2NO plus HNO3. Next, reaction 2NO from air, it gives 2NO2 gas. Next property, sodium nitrate is a good reducing agent. Next, it is assay against potassium permanganate because of its reducing property. Next, sodium nitrate also act as an oxidizing agent as seen in acidified potassium iodide solution. Next, 2HO2 plus 2Ki plus H2SO4, it gives I2 plus 2NO plus 2H2O plus K2SO4 gas. Next, action and use, sodium thiosulfide pharmacological nitrate action is relaxation of smooth muscle and vasodilation of coronary blood vessel. Because of this action, it is considered to be effective in angina pectoris. Next, inorganic nitride have slow onset of action. The organic nitrate like ethyl nitrate. Next, sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate's monograph. Sodium thiosulfate, it contains not less than 99% and not more than 101% Na2SO2O3 5H2O. त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला बाय मिस्टेक झालं Na2S2O3 प्लस 5H2O. Na ला 2 राहिला आहे. मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला 248.2. Next, preparation, it is prepared from soda ash, sulfur dioxide and sulfur. Next, soda ash is dissolved in hot water into its sulfur dioxide is passed. The resulting solution is treated with further quantity of soda ash which is then heated with sulfur. The solution is they cause concentrated allowed to settle and is then crystallized. Next reaction, Na2CO3 plus H2O plus 2SO2, it gives 2NaHSO3 plus CO2 gas. NaHSO3 plus Na2CO3, it gives 2Na2SO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Na2SO3 plus S, it gives Na2S2O3. Properties, sodium thiosulfate occur as transparent colorless monoclinic prism or as a crystalline powder. It has a cooling bitter taste. It is soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. Aqueous solution decompose on boiling because of reduction of sulfide and oxidation of sulfate. Reaction 2,4Na2S2O3, it gives 2Na2SO4 plus Na2S5O. Next reaction, it is a good reducing agent. The reaction of solution of sodium thiosulfate against iodine is follow. मग reaction कशी होईल, 2S2O3 plus I2, it gives 2NaI plus Na2S4O6. म्हणजे काय झालं, सोडियम टेट्राथायोनेट. ॲक्शन अँड यूज, त्याचे काय, सोडियम थायोसल्फेट वाज कन्सिडर useful in parasite, skin disease, in ringworm, and in controlling athlete's foot. Assay, sodium thiosulfate is assayed directly by titrating and accurately weighted sample in 25 ml water with 0.1 normal iodine solution using star solution as an indicator. Thank you.